we're here at the Glasshouse Garden Warung. I suppose you could nearly call it a restaurant. So we've come here a few times, but it's always closed. And it's open today, so we're the first ones in here. And as you can see, it's a nice setting. It's nice and outdoor. Like, not even all these posts and that are made out of glass. Look at this. So it's really nice. A lot of people apparently come here for Instagram photos and things like that. And yeah, it's very nice. It's got a lot of nice gardens and things like that around. And it's got a big yard down the back here. We're going to go down and check this out first before we check out the restaurant. It's pretty amazing, actually. And look at this. Now this is made out of all giant tree roots and that. And all the roots they dig up of the trees. But just check it out. It's absolutely massive. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10 big giant tree roots in there. And it's just really nice gardens and a nice atmosphere in here, you know. Now you got posts like this outside where you can come and sit outside here. It really is an amazing area, you know. Nice gardens everywhere. Check out this. Got all the stag horns and that all hanging up the top. Now check out the size of this tree root. This is just a tree root from one tree. Check it out. They're pretty popular. They actually make furniture and put glass on top of them, and the smaller ones and make tables and stuff out of them. This place is really nice, actually. So I don't know what's going on over here. It might be like a pool or something. I don't know. Oh, it's a giant fish pond. Check this out. It's just full of the koi fish or whatever. And it's a giant fish pond. Maybe it used to be a swimming pool turned into a fish pond. I'm not sure. Got little bonsais. How amazing is that? It's very, very nice gardens and that in here. Anyway, we'll go up and check out the restaurant. So Yuli's been trying to get me to come here for like so long, and about 3 times we've turned up. First at 9 o'clock, it was closed, then 10 o'clock closed. So this time we're here at 11 o'clock and it's just opening. So we're going to go in, check out what it's like. Now I think it's actually northern Sulawesi, like a Manado warung. So we'll check out what sort of food. And yeah, you see over here they've got another sort of stacked up ready to go for art, I suppose, all the tree roots and stuff. You see how these ones like this, they put glass on them and make tables. And these are just stacked up ready to go, I suppose, to put down in their garden. Yeah, it's very nice. It's on Chulann Mahendra Data, and I'll leave a Google Map link in the description. We'll go inside and have a quick look. See, even all the floor is glass. It's all sheets of glass. Yeah, and underneath it there's all plants and stuff. It's a bit hard to see at the moment, but there's all like rock gardens. Oh, it's actually a pond. There's giant fish under there. Look at that. I'm not sure whether you can see them. Some giant fish. It's actually a big fish pond underneath us. How unreal is that? Alright, so then they've got inside. Hello. Oh, it's very nice inside. It's air conditioned, nice and cool. It looks like maybe they've got a function on because they're setting up plates and that. So the whole place is glass, hence the name, the Glasshouse. Yeah, we're going to sit outside, order something to eat. Okay, so this is the menu, Glasshouse Gardens. Alright, so they got soups, sotos, chotos, soto, ayam geprek. It's all Indonesian food. Apparently it's Manado food, isn't it? Yeah. It's Manado food. Tuna, soup, bubur, which is like a rice porridge. Nasi campur, different types of nasi campur. Alright, it's all chicken, rice and fish, yeah. Okay, so the girls are going to go down and look at the fish and all the backyard. and I'm just going to relax here, check out the menu a bit more. Now we've ordered, they're really big portions. It seems pricey on the menu, but it's not because they're really big portions. So we've got, you know, Yuli just ordered a couple of things and that'll do the three of us. So yeah, it's very nice here, except for the traffic noise. That's the only thing. Jalan Mahanradada is a very, very busy road and you can hear the traffic, but down the bottom I couldn't. But anyway, it's still nice because it's just, everything is glass. Look, even the roof, the floor, and this amazing fish. They're very strange looking fish, these giant white fish. You know, there just really is some amazing warungs in Bali, like hidden away ones that no one would even know about. And they're nowhere near the tourist area. Most of them are out in the back in little sections of Denpasar where, you know, only the locals know about these places. Yeah, so it's good to explore and get away from the tourist area as much as you can and really see the real way that the Indonesian people live in. It's always a lot cheaper too, and it's the quality of the food is excellent, you know. So explore while you're on holidays, you know. It's about the, you know, it's sort of boring just hanging around the bars and restaurants around Legian and Kuta and everywhere, you know. You got to rent a bike and get out and do a few things. And if you explore around and just stop and look, yeah, you'd be amazed in what you can find on this island. All right, our iced teas have arrived and they're huge. They're like big jumbo ones. Basado, do you?
Yeah.
So just check out the size of them, they're huge. Okay, so she's just brought us a complimentary plate full of kerupuk. They're like the prawn, you know, prawn crackers like you get in Chinese restaurants and that. Oh, hello. Okay, so they brought us some rice each. And some, I'm not sure. Up to ayam.
Yeah,
Okay. So this is chicken. And this is, it's like maybe a soto. What's this, soto? Alright. Alright. It's very good. Some chicken. It's pretty spicy, a lot of chilli in it. Very good. Alright, just got to wait for the girls, I suppose. They're still down there doing their photos. And while they're there, I might just hook in, I think. Why not? Hook in and try a bit of this. Looks very spicy. There's a lot of chilli and stuff on it, which is good. Oh, this is like beans. It's got red kidney beans in it, and chicken, and chilli, and vegetables. Oh, it might be like, I'll try that out. Put a little bit of the juice on the rice. Oh, looks good. Oh yeah. It's got a really beefy, good, nice beefy taste. A few of the red beans. I love red kidney beans. Some people don't like them, but I actually love them. The flavour from the soup really is good. Okay, so we'll try a bit of the chicken out. Chicken, beans. It's very, very spicy here. All that, there's like chili and vegetables and stuff, herbs. Very spicy. It's nice, very nice. This is authentic Manado food from northern Sulawesi. It's so beefy, the flavour. And you can tell it's not just beef powder. It's proper beef stock. The beef just melts in your mouth, so good. Anyway, very nice. Well, I absolutely smashed that. I was starving. It's like 11:30, 12 o'clock now, nearly lunchtime, and I haven't had breakfast yet. So, yes, that was very, very good. So I definitely highly recommend if you come here, try the soup. the oxtail soup, because it is really, really good. Very good. So anyway, I'll leave a link in the description, Google map link of this place. Yeah, it's well worth coming out. The Glasshouse Warung. So the girls are back. We've got Mercer, it's Yuli's niece, with us, and yeah, I've already finished. Now I've got to wait for them, so I might even eat something else, order something else. So we can just pay with Scan Pay. Scan the QR code and pay. Okay, so that was really good actually. It was very nice. It was about 250,000, about 25 bucks, but it was nice atmosphere, nice place, plenty to see and look at, and yeah, the food was really good. So anyway, I'll leave a link and try it out.